picking apples in the rain. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's halfway there. Not there yet, but halfway there. Hey Blessed Peeps, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Destiny Blessed Mom. If you are new, welcome to the family. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. If you are not new, welcome back. Remember guys to give me a thumbs up before the video even begins. It is almost 7 o'clock in the morning and we're going to pick some apples today. We're going on the farm. We're going apple picking. It's not an ideal day because the weather says it's going to rain, but we shall see how that goes. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Say good morning, Ava.
Good morning, everyone. It's apple picking day.
I'll see you on the farm. Right now the weather is nice. We have jackets on and stuff, but I don't know what's going to happen because we're going all the way upstate. It's like a 2.5 hour drive. Waiting for the bus right now to come because we're going with other people. It's a trip. And yeah. Alright guys, so we are on our way. We're in the bus. Ava's sad. Are you sad? Are you upset with me? She wanted to sit beside her friend, but I didn't know, so I told her to come in this bus because it's 2 buses that's going, but I didn't want her to be in a different bus other than me. But when we get there, you can walk with your friend. How does that sound? Okay. Alrighty. So we see you soon. I'm going to see if I can take a nap, and then when we get there, I'll check in with you guys. We are finally here. So we're in the apple walk and we're picking our apples now. Wow. The rain soaked us and I got some green apples. I think these are called the Macintosh apples. And I think we're gonna head back up now. And that's that. One for the road? Look, I didn't touch this one. On the hayride. Makes it more fun. Picking apples in the rain. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so we came back. Just came out of the shower. Everything wet up. Ava is counting her apples. She picked a lot of apples. We were separated in groups. So she went with her friends. So, yeah. Let me see what she has.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19.
What happened to that one? 20. You got 20 apples? She have more. Yeah, throw them on the floor.
21. 22 apples.
What are you gonna do with your apples that you picked today?
I'm gonna make them into apple juice, apple pie, and apple smoothie too.
Okay. my bag too to count out what apples, and I'm gonna try to make some apple pie. I've never done it before, but we're gonna learn. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's the next day. It's the next day. I am about to go into the grocery store to get some ingredients to make this apple pie, to try to make this apple pie. I'm actually looking on Google right now. I saw a recipe on Google. Mind you, I've never baked apple pie before. I've never baked a pie before. So this is going to be a first for me, for us. Let me see what the supermarket has and see how I can get this done. It's early in the morning. And it's a beautiful day. I wish today was how the weather, I wish yesterday was how the weather is today. But anyways, whatever happens, happens, yeah? We got the ingredients, and this whole thing came up to, let me see, $69.21 for ingredients to bake pie. I think cost of living has gone very high because it's not a lot of stuff. And yeah, Lord, look how me look. People, my blessed peeps, I will see you guys at the house. If you have ever baked a pie, if you're going to bake, if you usually bake, if you're an expert at baking, I would love to hear your feedback. Alright guys, let me show you what I got for $68 and couple cents at the supermarket for the pie. All of this, just one bag. Just one bag. So, butter, Urban Meadow butter, egg whites, using these. I got the pie crust mix, so I can either use this or that. I will still need the crust to go on top anyway, so either way I'll have to use something. Sugar, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, the cinnamon sticks for garnish, and apple pie spice. So this is what I got at the store, and we already have our apples. So step by step, we will see how it's done. I was watching some videos on YouTube, and a friend of mine sent a recipe as well, and I also was reading up on Google, and I called my grandma to ask her how to make it as well. So with all those research, I better not mess it up. I wasn't sure if I'm supposed to use green apples or red apples, which one makes it better, but I will be putting a mixture of it in there. And one thing that I don't have that I need is an apple peeler, or a peeler, you know, that thing that peels the skin from the fruit or the vegetables. I don't have that, so I will be cutting using the knife to peel the skin off the apples and cut it up. I'll do that real quick. So guys, as you can see, I'm all done cutting up the apples. That was a lot of work. There are some skin on some of the apples left. My conclusion is that green apples are probably better than the red apples to put in an apple pie. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the green apples, it gives off a different look than when the red apples are peeled. Remember, I'm still new to this, so that's just my opinion. Peeps, I'll be preheating the oven right now to 350 degrees. 350 degrees, and then I'll put my apple filling on the stove to let it cook while the oven is heating up. Cover it until I start seeing it looking all tender and stuff, and then I'll take it down. It's on low now, and I'll let it cook and get the crust started. I will be using this pie crust mix. It makes 2 flaky crusts and I just need to add water, which is perfect. Not telling a lie. I'm not joking. This dough, this pie crust mix gave me a warm time. I had to put away the whisk, put away the spoon, and just get my hands in the flour and the mixture and just start kneading it like it's dumpling. If you're a Jamaican, you know what I'm talking about. So it's finally rolled up. We're gonna do a check on the mix, the filling over there. I think it is ready. I will put the filling in the fridge until I'm ready with the crust so that it can cool a little bit faster and ready to be baked. Let's check on our pie crust. Woo! All right. Okay, so this has to cool before I can put the filling in there. So I'm gonna get started on the second pie crust. The final step for this baking apple pie, I am going to need my egg whites, and that will be braised or glazed at the top of the pie so that it can bake nicely. I'm gonna get a container, we can do that. Okay, Blessed Peeps, now it's time to put everything together. Okay, we are finished with the hard part. Now it's just time to wait and see how it turns out. If it look good and if it tastes good, then you know say it is good. Listen, there's a first for everything, but I feel good, I feel proud of myself. Yeah, girl ready for be wife now? Yeah. Definitely putting this on the menu for Thanksgiving dinner. I am excited. I'm proud of myself. I will see you all back when it's ready. By the way, if you have not yet liked this video, please go ahead and do so. It shows me that you really enjoy the content and it helps my channel so much. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do that. I have weekly videos and I'm sure that you will enjoy watching. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. It's Destiny Blessed Mom, so you can keep up with me and my antics. It's halfway there. Not there yet, but halfway there. People, it's ready. And I just need to let it cool and we will taste it. While our pie is cooling, I just want to give some shout outs to Creshy Cresh and Shakira Seeley, who were one of the first to comment on last week's video. That was the fall decorate with me for fall video. If you have not seen that video yet, go ahead and check it out. And shout out to Abigail, who said, we're matching with room curtains. Love how everything turned out. Let us see the new rug once it comes. So if you have been paying attention, you would have noticed the rug that's down there in the living room. So now let me see if I can taste this thing. I am hungry now. Let me see if I can taste it. I wonder if it's cool enough, Lord. I don't know. I'm gonna take off a little piece. Oh, look at that, man. As my girl, Chef Chrissy, you can follow her on YouTube. She has a cooking channel, says that it's all about presentation. My presentation I really turn up, and it could have warmed cool a little bit more, but I'm gonna taste it to find out if I did it good. All right, y'all, let's see how it do. It tastes good. It tastes good. It tastes good. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, and until next time, ciao for now. Good. Some more, you did good. Destiny, you did good. I did it.